The Mississippi Department of Health today reports that Lafayette County now has 5 positive cases of COVID-19, with the state of Mississippi total over 200. With the rapid spread of this virus, I recommended to our board a few minutes ago in a special meeting a second resolution, which was approved unanimously. You can read this resolution by going to the City of Oxford website at oxfordms.net or the City of Oxford social media sites. The intent of this resolution is to slow the spread of COVID-19 in our community. We hope to do this by ensuring the maximum number of people self-isolate in their places of residence to the maximum extent possible. This is not a shelter-in-place order, which prevents travel around town if the need exists, but rather a request to our citizens to please stay at home, only leaving for essential needs. It also does not impose a curfew at this time, and it requires no changes to the way our restaurants are operating now. Restaurants will still be able to offer curbside, drive-through, and delivery. Package stores also will be able to continue curbside pickup. Vulnerable populations, including the elderly and those with underlying health conditions, should completely stay at home. All community members should stay at home except to perform essential duties for businesses, continuity, or government functions, to get food, care for a relative or friend, or get necessary health care, or perform activities related to maintaining a healthy lifestyle during this time. It is okay to go outside for walks if you're not in a group and you practice proper social distancing. Realizing that this resolution is new and will generate many questions from citizens, we've developed a frequently asked questions list that you can also find on our website. But just to give you a quick overview of some of the things that are included. Non-essential businesses and business functions that will be closed include all bars, entertainment venues, meetings of fraternal and civic organizations, bowling alleys, theaters, tattoo parlors, barber shops, hair, beauty, nail, tanning salons, spas, gyms, convention centers, community centers, and parks, except for walking trails, shopping centers, retail stores, except where curbside delivery is available and utilized. Those shall be closed to the public. This section also applies to municipally owned convention spaces, community centers, and parks, except for walking trails. But please practice social distancing at our walking trails at Whirlpool and at Pat Lamar Park and others. Also, all churches, temples, and places of worship, assemblages, and gatherings, including but not limited to private clubs within the city limits of the City of Oxford, shall adhere to the guidelines of the Centers for Disease Control and the Mississippi Department of Health, and shall limit crowds, assemblages, or gatherings to no more than 10 people. This provision shall apply non-exclusively to funerals, weddings, and other such social gatherings. The following are identified as essential businesses, and they are to remain operational following the CDC guidelines. These include city government offices, police station, fire stations, courts, garbage, sanitation, and utilities, hospitals and clinics and healthcare operations, including nursing homes and assisted living facilities, veterinarian offices, gas stations, drugstores, and pharmacies, food services, including grocery stores, farmers markets, food banks like the pantry, convenience stores, takeout, curbside, and delivery restaurants, hardware stores, security companies, businesses providing services that are necessary to maintain the safety, sanitation, and essential operation of residents, such as plumbers and electricians and landscapers and HVAC services and the like. Auto repair operations will also stay open. Banks and community benefit organizations will stay open on a case-by-case basis, like Interfaith, Compassion Ministries, United Way, Red Cross, Salvation Army, Communicare, and the like. Laundromats, laundry services, cemeteries, and professional services, which service companies and individuals who or which are essential businesses, agencies, or governmental units, which would be accountants, attorneys, engineers, architects, and the like, to the extent that such professional services are able to operate under the CDC and Mississippi Department of Health guidelines. The health and future of our community is at risk, folks. It's changing every hour. It will be dependent upon every single citizen of Oxford to do their part. We are stronger together. Thank you.